Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up live chat with Zendesk. First of all, log into Zendesk. Go to zendesk.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a trial to get started. Step 2. Navigate to admin settings. In the Zendesk dashboard, click on the admin panel, select channels, then messaging and live chat. Step 3. Enable live chat. Click on Add live chat or Set up live chat. Follow the prompts to activate chat for your account. Step 4. Customize chat widget. Under Appearance settings, adjust the chat button's color, position, and welcome message. Add your company's branding for a personalized task. Step 5. Install the chat widget on your website. Copy the provided JavaScript code snippet, paste in paste it into your website's HTML right before the closing body tag. Save and publish your changes. And step 6. Set up agents and routing. Go to agent settings and add support agents. Use the routing rules to assign chats to the right departments. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.